तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं, तेरे खेतों में लहराऊं, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ ओ ओ India is celebrating its 75th freedom and its glory, its pride. We all have been listening such types of inspirational as well as patriotic songs on special occasions such as Independence Day, Republic Day and national events. So, a very warm welcome to my channel, that is Acme English Classes by Shalini, and a very happy Independence Day on this special occasion. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now welcome to my new session, and let's learn something different which we already know, but with the passage of time we need some sort of reminder. We always need reminder as well as recapitulation so that we are going to learn something new, something which we know already, but it's the time to implement. And we also have heard such type of song, that is Mera Karma Tu Mera Dharma Tu. Let's have a look at the same and then just begin with the today's session. मेरा कर्मा तू मेरा धर्मा तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं मेरा सब कुछ तू। हर करम अपना करेंगे, हर करम अपना करेंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जा भी देंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए। We are not soldiers basically, that we are sacrificing our lives, कि हम अपनी lives को sacrifice करेंगे. We are all common citizens, be it in the form of businessmen, doctors, engineers, teachers, skilled person and many more. And let's have the recapitulation, what is our responsibilities and what are our rights. Our rights are that we should be aware of everything, and with the passage of time we are going to implement such things in our day-to-day life. In today's lesson we are going to learn about, which I have uploaded in my last year video on this specific day, where we have talked about civic sense. So let's have the recapitulation of the same, and in this manner we are going to learn that whatever are social as well as environmental responsibilities. So civic sense, what does it mean? Civic sense means or the etiquettes or the mannerism which we have to implement in the society. Like we are the part of the society, we are the responsible citizen of the society, and in which manner do we call ourselves responsible? When we fulfill our environmental and social responsibilities, so these are known as civic sense or civic mannerism. And the mannerism, the ways in which manner or the norms which we deal in the society while interacting with one another and while dealing with people. In which manner we deal with one another, in which manner how to deal in the society, how to interact in the society, that is the part of civic sense, that is the part of environmental responsibilities, and that is the part of social responsibility. So very true friends, welcome back again to my channel. This is my new session, and in my last video which I have uploaded last year on this specific day, and I am going to give you the recapitulation of the same, where we are going to learn. I will just tell you approximately 5 to 6 ways in which manner we can consider ourselves that we are responsible one. We should be responsible not only for everyone but for us, but for ourselves only. Because you see, everyone wants to have growth. If I talk about my growth, if you talk about your growth, so growth refers to individual growth. First of all, if individual growth is there, then only a person can lead towards nation's growth. And growth everybody wants. It could be in any manner. In order to have raised standard of living, then financial raised standard of living, then economical, and apart from that, we are having other issues. So follow your social responsibilities by adopting 5 to 6 civic mannerism in the society. Number 1, being courteous means always have the feeling of humanity. Be courteous and polite, specifically with women, children, aged people, and disabled category of people. Offer your helping hand whenever you get the chance, in terms of money or in terms of any sort of physical help is required. Number 2, that is health and hygiene. This is one of the basic priorities nowadays. In order to be environmental responsible and social responsible, always try to carry a carry bag or trash bag with yourself so that you are going to fulfill your own duty. Smoking at designated places only. Number 3, drive sense. Not driving sense, that is drive sense. Always show patience and follow your own lane whenever you are driving. It shows your focused mind and it shows your patience. It shows that you are actually emotionally, mentally, environmental and physically focused and very patient person. Number 4, that is fearless and be skillful. It means learn something, try to learn something new and constructive, like learning new activity. Moreover, try to indulge yourself or connect yourself with one of the NGOs in the form of offering help to the society. It shows that you are giving your contribution in the society in the form of offering helping hand to stray animals, then poor and disabled people in the form of money, in the form of education, or any sort of help is required. Whatever your approach is there, in which manner you can devote your time, your energy, just put your best forward for the put your best foot forward for the same. And last but not the least, that is culture connection. Like we are very proud, feeling proud of our Indian culture. So connect yourself with your culture. In which manner? Whenever you are going to get the chance, always try to plan a trip, be it a small trip or short trip or long trip, or it could be a mountain area trip, public places, historical places, or any specific place which you like the most. This is the best way to explore something new, and this is the best way to have the best exposure. In this manner, you can connect yourself with your Indian culture. So always feel proud for the same, wherever and whatever the environment we are having, whatever the surroundings we are having. When you start having the feelings of gratitude, when you have the इसलिए be proud of the same, whatever the situation and environment you are having. Always have grateful attitude as well as thankful approach should be there. When you start giving reminder to your mind that I am feeling blessed, actually you will feel the blessings in disguise. So stay connected with Acme English classes and मनाते रहिए आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव. Thank you so much.